No Nice Crafts. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little drink keychains. They're very cute and worth it to show your friends. And they're going to go wow. So let's get into it. So first of all, you'll need one empty paint pot, which will be the cup, a ball chain or anything else, but I'm using ball chains because it fits. You'll need some paint to paint some water, and for the little thingies in here, if you're like me and these will work best, you can use something called hama beads or perla beads. But if you don't have those, you can just use a regular straw. But hama beads would work better because they come in many different colors. So, oh yeah, and I forgot. You'll need a hot glue gun. But I've used hot glue guns for a while and I know how they work. Just ask an adult if you're under 10. Or, you know. And don't forget your newspaper because you don't want to get your beautiful wooden table wet. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna go and fill this up with water. I'll be back soon. Now we've got this filled up with water and I forgot the first step. If you twist the ends off like me, use some scissors to cut them off. They are really sharp and painful. Okay, we are back and we have successfully removed the bottom from the top. And the plastic is very hard. So maybe I'll ask an adult to do this. Okay, so we've got the lid back on. Now, just choose what you want to make. Here I've got iced coffee. I actually wanted it to be boba, but the hama beads just would not sink down. And it looks more like iced coffee, so I just called it that. And here we have matcha with ice. And actually I saw some boba tea that has like pink. So I guess I'll just use that. Okay, so, oh wait, hold on, let me get my paintbrush. Okay, here we have, whoops. Here we have a paintbrush and we are gonna dip it in some paint. Yay, it's nice and pink now. Oh, oops, I forgot the lid's on. That was me. Shall we? Dun dun dun. It's nice and pink now. Let's add a bit more pink. Okay, I think that's good. And now, you can take a transparent straw, transparent hama beads, or if you really don't have those, you can just use a white straw or white hama beads. Preferably the transparent stuff would look nicer as ice, so I'll just take, oh, I'm running low on hama beads. Oh man, you know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna use, should I use white? No, I'm using black. I'll be back and I'll get my black. Okay, perfect. Now we've got 25 little thingamajiggies in. Actually, you know what? That doesn't look too bad. Okay, so once you're done with that, here comes the dangerous part. Oh no. Take your lid and like roughly find the center around here. And then, okay, you also need some actual straws for this part. You'll need like 2 short straws, but one will be slightly longer than the other. That will be the one that goes inside. And take your hot glue gun and just like put some in the center. Okay. Just some around here. It's not coming out. Okay, good. Just put some in the middle. Okay. You should have something like this on the bottom. Wait for around like 1 minute to let it like cool and harden. Otherwise it'll be like soft and hot and not good. Okay, it's waiting time. Okay, it looks like it's hardened. So now just flip it over and do the exact same thing, but now you know where to put your other straw. Just like put the hot glue around here, put the straw here, support it, And then you should be done with the lid. But after that, you'll need to like attach the, the ball chain to it later. So I'll be right back. Okay, now the straw on top has hardened. And we can take this little bit from the side that we didn't cut off earlier. And we can take a hot glue gun and put some glue on there. It's coming. Okay, good. Just leave a little blob of glue on there. Take your ball chain. Oh wait, hold on. Let me close this first. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, take your ball chain. Take the side that doesn't have the special opening part and put it on that little blob of paint. Glue. Haha. Okay, and push it in. My fingers are all sticky. And once you're done with that, just take the glue gun. This glue stuck to my hand. And just layer another bit of glue onto the chain, and then you should be done. Hold on, let me cut the string. Okay, and you should be done with the keychain part. Just let it cool, and yeah, that should be good. But then here comes the hard part. You'll need to like put the lid back on and make sure that the water doesn't flow out, because if it flows out, you're going to be very sad and it's going to be all messy. So it's the ugly part that doesn't look very good, but I mean it's still cute, like, yay. But still, don't drink this. It's paint water, kids. Okay, I think. And here's a tip: when you're using hot glue, when the glue is all cloudy, it's usually already dry. But if it's still like clear, like water or glass, it's still sticky and hot. So okay, and now I guess we just take this part. We take our hot glue gun and we. Actually, no, we are not doing that. We are putting this thing in first. Oh, come on, it's already a thingamajig stuck. Okay, let's carefully avoid the things and let's just close it. Okay, and this should be how the finished product looks, but we have to seal it. Okay, so get your little gun and like do it around like in between this part for all around it. So come out glue. Yeah, something like this, and then just like smudge it around. Oh man, it's already kind of ugly. Oh well. So it should look like this. Okay, then we'll go to this side and like smudge it up a little. Okay, and that should be it. It's a bit of, no. There's a bit of dirt here. Let me get rid of it. Imperfections. Okay, oh no. Okay, let's wait for this to dry, and then it should be done. Okay, the glue has dried, and now just like turn it upside down, shake it, and feel the side. If it's wet, then you probably should layer a bit more glue. But if it's dry, then congrats, you're done with your keychain. I hope you like it. It's really easy to make and it's really cute too. Please subscribe and I shall give more tutorials. Maybe. Bye.